So I have XAMPP open, but if I try to start MySQL, it seems like it's trying to start, but then after a few seconds, I get this error MySQL shutdown unexpectedly. I can try again, the same error again. So let's see how we can fix this problem. First, we need to open the XAMPP folder, and the easiest way to do that is clicking on the Explorer button. And here it is, here is our XAMPP folder. Among the folders here, we should be able to find the MySQL folder. Here it is. And the problem is that something is corrupt in this folder, in the data folder, because this folder, among other things, contains some management databases. I'm not talking about the actual databases that contain real information, the databases that you use for your development. I am talking about some management databases that are needed for the normal operation of MySQL. So we need to revert the state of these management databases back to the original state. We're going to start by creating a backup of this folder, just to be on the safe side. It's not really necessary, but to be on the safe side, you should do it. So I'll copy this folder and paste it here in the same folder. And now we have a copy of this folder, just in case. We can now open the data folder itself, the original one. And here we're going to delete all of the folders containing these management databases that I was talking about. And there are 4 folders: MySQL, Performance Schema, PHPMyAdmin, and Test. So select these 4 folders and delete them. Moreover, we also need to delete all of the files that are outside of any folder. So I'm going to select all of the files apart from one, apart from this file, ibdata1. So press on Ctrl, and while holding Ctrl, click on this file, and now I effectively selected all of the files apart from this file. So let's delete these files. And we now need to replace the files and folders we deleted with the original ones, with the files and folders that should actually be here. And they can be found in the following folder. So let's go one level up to the MySQL folder, and here we have a folder called Backup. And this folder contains just that. It contains the original state of the files and folders we just deleted. So I'm going to select everything from this folder. It can be done with Ctrl-A, apart from one file. Which file? This one, ibdata1. So press on Ctrl, and while holding Ctrl, click on this file. And now I'm going to copy my selection. Go back one level up to the MySQL folder, and go back into the data folder. And I'm going to paste here all of the files and folders we just copied. And if we get back to the XAMPP control panel and try to start MySQL now, we can see that it gets a port number, and now MySQL is running as expected.